Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Luna.
Hello, Luna. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here today. I'm John, and we have some real talk for our listeners today.
It's great to have you with us today.
Luna, how are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, John. How about you?
I'm doing great. I had a relaxing morning, so I'm feeling positive today.
That's nice to hear.
Today's topic is something simple, but very meaningful.
I love those kinds of topics.
Me too.
So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're discussing small things that make life better.
That's a beautiful topic.
Absolutely.
I think many people spend their lives searching for big achievements.
Like getting rich, buying a house, or becoming famous.
Exactly.
But sometimes the things that make us happiest are actually very small.
I completely agree.
Small moments often create the biggest smiles.
That's so true. Morning happiness.
Let's start with mornings.
Great idea.
Is there anything simple you enjoy in the morning?
Yes, definitely.
What is it?
Opening my window and feeling the fresh air.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
Why do you enjoy it so much?
Because it helps me start the day calmly.
I understand that.
The fresh air reminds me that every day is a new beginning.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
What about you?
I enjoy drinking a cup of coffee in silence.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is.
Do you usually check your phone while drinking coffee?
Actually, no.
Really?
I try not to.
Why?
Because I want a few peaceful minutes before the busy part of the day begins.
That's smart. Those quiet moments help me think clearly. A good night's sleep. One small thing that makes life much better is getting enough sleep.
I couldn't agree more.
Everything feels harder when you're tired.
That's true.
Have you ever noticed how different life feels after a good night's sleep?
Absolutely.
How so?
I have more energy.
Same here.
I'm more patient.
That's important.
And I can focus better.
Sleep affects almost everything.
Yet many people don't get enough of it.
Unfortunately, that's true. Listening to music.
Another small thing that improves life is music.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Music has a special power.
It can completely change your mood.
Exactly.
Sometimes I listen to music when I'm happy.
And sometimes when you're sad?
Yes.
Music seems to understand emotions.
That's a great way to describe it.
Do you have a favorite type of music?
I enjoy calm acoustic music.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I enjoy a little bit of everything.
That's fair.
Music makes long days easier.
And boring tasks more enjoyable.
Exactly.
Spending time in nature. Another simple thing that makes life better is spending time outdoors.
I completely agree.
Nature has a calming effect.
It really does.
Sometimes people spend all day inside buildings.
Looking at screens.
Exactly.
Then they wonder why they feel tired.
Fresh air can make a huge difference.
Even a short walk helps.
Definitely.
Do you enjoy walking?
Very much.
Why? Because walking gives me time to think.
That's true.
It also helps me relax.
Sometimes my best ideas come during a walk.
Mine too. Receiving a kind message.
Here's something simple that always makes me happy.
What is it?
Receiving an unexpected message from a friend.
I love that.
It feels nice when someone checks on you.
Absolutely.
Even a simple, "How are you?" can brighten my day.
Small acts of kindness matter.
More than people realize.
I agree.
Have you ever received a message exactly when you needed it?
Many times.
Those moments are special.
They really are. Laughing with friends. Speaking of friends, laughter makes life better.
Definitely.
Some of my happiest memories involve laughing with people I care about.
Same here.
Sometimes the funniest moments happen unexpectedly.
That's true.
You don't plan them.
They just happen naturally.
Exactly.
I think adults forget to laugh sometimes.
That's a good point.
Life becomes busy and stressful.
But laughter helps reduce stress.
It reminds us to enjoy life.
Absolutely. Reading a good book.
Do you enjoy reading?
Very much.
What do you like about it?
Reading allows me to escape for a while.
Escape?
Yes,
Into another world?
exactly.
That's one of the best things about books.
They expand our imagination
They also teach us new ideas,
and improve our vocabulary.
especially for English learners.
Definitely.
Reading is one of the best habits people can develop.
I completely agree. Drinking enough water. Here's a simple habit that many people forget.
What's that?
Drinking enough water.
That's important.
Very important.
People often underestimate how much water affects health.
That's true.
When I drink enough water, I feel more energetic.
Same here.
It's such a simple thing.
Yet it makes a noticeable difference.
Sometimes the best solutions are simple.
Exactly. Keeping things organized.
Another thing that improves my life is staying organized.
Me too.
A clean room makes me feel calmer.
Same.
Why do you think that happens?
Because our environment affects our mood.
That's true.
When everything is messy, it can feel overwhelming.
But when things are organized, life feels easier.
Exactly.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Just tidy enough to feel comfortable. Learning something new. Another small thing that makes life exciting is learning.
Absolutely.
Learning keeps us growing.
And growth feels rewarding.
It doesn't have to be something huge.
Not at all.
Maybe learning one new English word.
Or one useful phrase.
Or an interesting fact.
Small lessons become big knowledge over time.
That's how progress works. Helping other people.
One thing that always makes me feel good is helping others.
That's wonderful.
Whether it's helping a friend or a stranger,
Kindness creates positive feelings.
for both people.
Exactly.
Have you ever helped someone and felt happier afterward?
Many times.
Why do you think that happens?
Because helping others gives life meaning.
I like that answer.
It reminds us that we're connected.
Very true.
Enjoying simple food. Let's talk about food.
One of my favorite subjects.
Mine too.
What's a simple meal that makes you happy?
Homemade soup.
Nice choice.
It reminds me of family.
Food often brings back memories.
Exactly.
My favorite simple meal is rice and chicken.
Classic and delicious.
Sometimes simple food is the best food.
I couldn't agree more. Watching the sunset.
Do you enjoy sunsets?
Very much.
Why?
Because they remind me to slow down.
That's beautiful.
We spend so much time rushing.
Always moving to the next task.
Exactly.
A sunset reminds us to pause.
And appreciate the moment.
Nature teaches us important lessons.
It certainly does. Gratitude. One habit that makes life better is gratitude.
Absolutely.
Being thankful for what we have.
Instead of constantly focusing on what we don't have.
Exactly.
Gratitude changes perspective.
It helps us notice the good things around us,
Even small blessings.
like good health,
Family.
friends.
Opportunities to learn.
Those things are easy to take for granted.
But they matter tremendously.
Celebrating small wins.
Another thing people often forget is celebrating progress.
That's true.
Many people only celebrate big achievements.
But small wins deserve recognition too.
Absolutely.
For example, learning 10 new English words,
Finishing a book.
completing a difficult task.
Building a new habit.
Those victories matter.
Small progress becomes big progress over time.
Exactly. Spending time with family. Family is another thing that makes life better.
Definitely.
Spending quality time with family creates lasting memories.
Some of my happiest moments involve simple family conversations.
Mine too.
Not expensive events.
Just meaningful moments.
Exactly.
Those moments become memories we treasure forever. Being present.
Here's something I think everyone should practice.
What's that?
Being present.
That's important.
Many people spend their time worrying about the future.
Or thinking about the past.
Exactly.
But life happens in the present moment.
That's where happiness exists.
When we're present, we notice life's small joys.
And appreciate them more deeply.
Final thoughts.
We've talked about many small things today.
And every one of them can improve life.
Let's summarize.
Peaceful mornings,
Good sleep,
music,
Nature.
kind messages,
Laughter.
reading,
drinking water,
staying organized,
learning,
helping others,
good food,
sunsets,
gratitude,
family.
and being present.
That's a wonderful list.
It really is.
Closing message. Before we finish, let's share one final message with our listeners.
Great idea.
To everyone listening today, remember that happiness doesn't always come from big achievements.
Sometimes it's found in the smallest moments.
A smile from a stranger,
A conversation with a friend,
a beautiful sunset,
a peaceful morning,
a good book.
a laugh with someone you love.
Life is made of small moments.
And those moments matter.
Take time to notice them
Appreciate them.
and enjoy them.
Thank you so much for listening to Everyday English Talk Channel.
We hope today's conversation helped improve your English while inspiring you to inspire life's simple pleasures. Keep practicing your English. Keep learning every day.
Keep smiling.
And keep finding joy in the little things.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.